to my YouTube channel SoftAcademy. In this tutorial session, I'll discuss today one very important for functions about the Oracle SQL. So I will discuss about two functions in Oracle SQL. Okay, so let's start. I'll discuss about today what are SUBSTR and INSTR functions in Oracle. Okay, so I'll discuss in all these points, what is SUBSTR function, how it works, what is INSTR functions, how it works, and finally practical use of SUBSTR and INSTR functions. Okay, so these functions are very important. These are predefined Oracle functions. So SUBSTR and INSTR functions are very important, and it is used in many practical scenarios. So you should know about these functions in detail. So I am just making this tutorial for this purpose, that you will get to know in detail about these two functions in Oracle. Okay, so SUBSTR functions. First, what is the SUBSTR functions? SUBSTR functions actually what it does is, I'm writing here SUBSTR, SUBSTR. Okay, so SUBSTR functions is basically used to search for a substring within a string. Okay, so these functions, SUBSTR functions, search for a substring within a string. Okay, and it will extract the substring within the from the string. Okay, so substring function actually extract the substring from a string, okay, or a character from a string. Okay, so this function, I'm writing this function, extract a character or a substring from a string. Okay, understand? So this function extract a character or a substring from a string. Okay, so I'll show you how this function works in practical way. And first you have to know the definition. You have to know the what it does actually. So substring function basically extract the character, one character or maybe multiple character, that means one substring from a string which is the main string. Okay, this is the substring function, and now INSTR function. I am coming to INSTR function, INSTR. Okay, so what INSTR function is do is, this function actually search for a character or substring within a string. Okay, and gives the location of that character or substring within the string. Okay, I am repeating again. INSTR function basically search for a character or substring within a string, and it gives the location of that character or substring within that string. Okay, so I am writing here this function search for a character or substring from a string and gives the location or position. Okay, you can say position within the string. Okay, so I'm repeating again. Substring, I already what I written is, substring is this function extract one string or a single string, once a character or a substring from a string. Okay, And INSTR, what it does is this function search for a character or substring. Okay, this function search for a character or substring from a string and gives the location or position within the string. Okay, main string. Okay, so now I'll show you how they works in practical way, how we can use these functions in the practical way. So this is our employee table. I have a dummy table emp3. This is the employee number, employee name, and salary. 5 records are there. So I want the first character. I want to extract the first character for each employee name. Okay, so what I will use the substring function in this case. So let's see. Select SUBSTR. How I will use this, just see substring function to achieve the requirement. So select substring. I have to pass here e name. Okay, this is the column name. First parameter is the column name, or whatever your expression is. First parameter is column name, and next parameter is the character, what character I want to extract, or what substring I want to extract. Okay, from which position I want to extract the string. Okay, so I have to extract from the first position. Okay, so this is the position, first position. This is the position. So I want first character from each employee name. Okay, so my character position is 1, so I have to write here substring of employee name, and for 1 is for first position. So I want first position character. Okay, first positional character, that is every name I want the first character to be displayed. Okay, so from emp3. Okay, so okay, so let me check. SUBSTR emp name 1. Okay, actually yes, I missed the character actually. First character, and yes, 1. I have to place here 1. Yes. So I'm repeating again. I have to put third parameter as 1. Why I put 1? That is a SUBSTR function. First of all, the column name or expression, and second one is the position from where I want to extract the substring, and third parameter is number of how many number of character I want to subtract. Okay, so I want only one character, that is for the third parameter. So select substring emp name 1 from emp3. So see here, first character for each employee name it is showing. Okay, so I am repeating again. I have to put here select substring. First one is the column name or expression, and second one is from which position I want to extract the substring, and how many character I want. Okay, I want only first character. That's why I want to place here 1. Only one character I want to extract. Okay, so each employee name I want to extract only one character. So from the first position, this is the position, and this is the number of characters. So this is giving me output the exactly the fine, and I'm getting the first character for each employee name. Okay, JMAMM. Okay, so fine. And now I'll give another example. Let's see, I want the second character from each employee name. Okay, I want to extract the second character. What is the second character for each employee name? So how I can write this? Select substring SUBSTR. First one is the column name or expression. Second one is the position, from which position I want to extract second position. I want the second position character. Okay, what is the character in the second position? So second position I want to put here. And how many characters I want to extract? Only one character. Okay, so I put here 1 from emp3. Okay, so see here, only second character for each ename or employee name is showing here, OALII. Okay, OALII. Okay, now I'm giving the final example for substring function. Let's say I want the from the third position to the rest of the employee name, whatever the how many characters are there in the rest of the part of the name. Okay, rest part of the name. Okay, I'm I am just saying again, I have a requirement. I have to extract from the third position to the rest of the name. How many characters are there? I want the rest of the name or substring within the this ename. Okay, so second position from the third position, let's say from the third position I want to extract the remaining characters or remaining string. Okay, so how I can write that? Select SUBSTR. So first parameter is the column name and second parameter will be third position. Okay, so I write here 3 and I will close this bracket because I need only from the third position to the rest of the character or rest of the string. Okay, so I need not to give the third parameter. If I omit the third parameter, that gives me from the third position the rest of the characters, how many characters are there, it will display the rest of the characters of or substring. Okay, so let's see from emp3. Okay, so see here, from the third position is hn, ark, len, this is e only, and this is ch, third position is hel. Okay, so same is giving here. Okay, fine. I think you have understand it well, substring function, how it works and how we can use it in practical. Okay, so now I will come to INSTR function. So what INSTR function is do is, INSTR function, this function search for a character or substring from a string and gives the location or position. Okay, so this function gives the position of a character or substring within a string. Okay, so now let's see the example here. So I am just see the records again. Okay, emp3. So this is my records. Okay, so I want the position of a. Okay, I want the position of a from each ename. What is the position of a from each ename? Okay, what is the requirement is, I have to find out or I have to search the character a in which position in the ename. Okay, so I want to write, I have to write the select statement like this: select INSTR. So first is the parameter is the column name or expression. This is the column name. The column name is this, and I want the character. I want the location or position of a particular character. So I have to mention here the character. Second thing is I have to mention the character which I am going to search for. So I am going to search for character A, and last one is the occurrence. Okay, so I want the first occurrence. Okay, so first one is the employee name or expression, second one is the character for which I want to search, and third one is the position. Okay, from which position is it will search. Okay, so third one parameter is the position from which it is going to search. Okay, so I am writing select and steer this, and from emp3. okay, so see, I'm explaining this result. So employee name, a character I am searching for, and it is searching from the first position. So from the first position, for the first ename there is no a, okay, so it's returning 0, hence it is returning 0. And second ename, from the first position, from the first first this is the this is the position from where it is start the searching. So it is searching from the first position, and it is the searching for a character, so it is find it in the second position, okay, that's why it is returning 2. And third one is it is find it in the first position, so that's why it is returning 1. And this has no a character inside this name, so this is returning 0. okay, fine. Now I'll show you another example. Let's say I want to search for second occurrence of a, okay, or I can say l, okay. So how I can do that? Select star, select as in INSTR ename. I want to search, let's say I want to search for the same character, and if it is in the second this character has the second occurrence, okay. So first one parameter is the column name or expression, second parameter is the character or substring which I want to search, third one is from which character or which position it is going to search. So I am going to search from the first position, and here I have to give the occurrences, okay. I have to give second occurrence, okay. So if you omit this, it will give only the first occurrence, as I explain, as I showing here, I has already shown in the first example. I have omit the fourth position, fourth parameter, that's why it is giving the first occurrence. And if I want the second occurrence, I have to give here fourth parameter as 2. So first one is the expression or column name, second one is the character which I am going to find, third one is the from which position it is going to search, first position it is going to search, and fourth parameter is the occurrence. I want the second occurrence of character A, and I want the location of that or position of that character, okay. So from emp3, okay. So see here, from emp John, John has no a, so this is 0. And second Mark, so it is going to search a, and from beginning, one means from beginning, and second occurrence. So second occurrence is, this is the first and this is the second occurrence, so its position is 1 2 3, so it is giving 3. And in the third there is no a in the second occurrence, only first occurrence there is a, and there is no second occurrence of a, so this is giving 0, that's why. And here there is no a, so that's why these are returning 0, okay. I think you have understand it well, okay, fine. Now I am giving the final example for INSTR function. Let's I want the another character, okay. I want another character. Let's say I want to search for another character, INSTR, let's say ename, okay. Ename is the column name. I want now to search for character L, okay, and I want the position of L starting from the beginning, okay. What is the position of L? emp3, okay. So here I am giving the first parameter as employee name or expression. I want to search for L character, and one is from which position I is going to search. For the first position I am going to search, and it will return the position of L character, okay, from employee from this table, okay. Now see here, first employee name has no L, so it is giving 0. Second employee name has no L, it is giving 0. Third employee name, it has L here. So from the first position, there is the L character position is 2, it is giving 2. And next two employee name has no L. Yes, there is a L at the fifth ename. So here it is 0, and last one here position of L is it is from the first position, the Lth position is fifth. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, sixth. Okay, so here it is giving 6. Okay, this is counted from the first character. Okay, so here Lth position is 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6. Okay, so it is giving 6. So I think you have understand also INSTR function well, and you can I have given 3 examples for using INSTR function, how we can use that with various parameters. And also I have explained the SUBSTR function with 3 examples how you can use this in practical. Okay, so I hope you have understand all these all two functions, Oracle functions, SUBSTR and INSTR well. And that's all for this today's session. And if this video is helping, if this video is added some value to your learning, and if you learn something from this video, you just give a like this video. And if my video is added some value to your learning, and if you like this video, just give a like and subscribe my channel, so that on the next video it will get a notification and you can learn from my video. Okay, so that's all from this today's tutorial session. I have explained 2 Oracle predefined functions, and I have given I have shown the practical examples how you can use this. And if comment below if you have any doubt after watching my video, just comment below. And if my video if my video is useful for your learning, and if my video is added some value to your learning, and if you are learning from my video, you just give a like to my video and comment below and subscribe my channel, so that when I upload the next video, you will get a notification and you can learn from my video. Okay, so and also share my video with other your friends, your colleagues, and others to whom you know, so that they can also learn from my video and they can grow their knowledge. Okay, so regarding my YouTube channel, I already I upload here all the videos for different Oracle technologies like SQL, structured query language, PLSQL, that is real SQL programming language, Oracle database architecture and database design, Oracle database administration, and also Unix shell scripting videos. Okay, so if you watch all these videos, I have explained each videos in detail. The topic I have described in each video in detail and with a hands-on practical, as you see in my today's video. So I have started from the very basic DBMS, introduction to DBMS, who have no knowledge about the database, who have no knowledge about the Oracle, what is Oracle, what is the DBMS, what is SQL. So I have started from the very basic level of understanding about the SQL, about the DBMS, and these are the all videos for SQL. You can just watch each video from the start to the end, so that you can learn each topic well in detail with the hands-on practical. Okay, and also I have uploaded many videos on Oracle PLSQL programming, as you see in my screen, that is cursors, exceptions, collections, and these are various advanced topics on PLSQL programming, and arrays, explain plan. This is the very important for a database administrator to know. how performance how query has to be how to do performance tuning on query. So this is the very advanced topics explain plan for DBA, and this is also very advanced topic in materialist views. Just watch complete video, you will get to know detail about this topics, and with hands-on practical. Also there are PLSQL records, there are 3 parts, and also there is 2 videos for SQL, and here Oracle architecture and DBA fundamentals. This video, there are many videos on others like group functions, null, and this is very much important in about internal architecture of Oracle. I have explained everything about the internal architecture of Oracle. You just watch this video completely, and this is very much important to know for experienced people or experienced Oracle developer or experienced in SQL developer, experienced SQL developer, that how SQL query is processed inside the Oracle database. I have explained each and every steps here, and this is the DBMS output package I have explained here, and I explained here exception init pragma, and this is the whole complete SQL concept one video, and I uploaded database designing part 1. After watching this, if you need the part 2, I will upload it, just comment below. And I have already started a question and answer series from here, various various questions on Oracle interviews, who are going to face an interview, or who are preparing for interview. For them I started a series of various questions on Oracle different technologies like SQL, PLSQL, and all the technologies. So here you can see the differences between procedure and functions. These questions I have uploaded, which are basically mostly asked to any candidate for any Oracle positions, and I have from my experience, I have taken many candidates interviews, and I have seen that they are not able to answer properly when I asked these questions. So I have made these videos on this important question, and I have given the proper answer of those questions point wise. And if you just watch these complete videos and prepare for this questions answers, you will definitely perform well in your interview, and also you will impress the interviewer. Okay, so I have faced actually I have seen actually many candidates when they are going to face interviews, these questions when they face these questions, they fall in trouble and they are not able to answer properly, because I have experience of taking interviews of many candidates for many MNC companies. Okay, so from my experiences I have uploaded, I have made these videos, and I uploaded here for your learning and for your preparation of the interview. Okay, how we can prepare, what all the questions, very important questions these are, you have to prepare, how you can prepare. Okay, just watch these videos completely. There are many differences between truncate and delete. These questions have been asked in many interviews. Differences between table view, YD and row num, primary key and foreign key, most important, union and union all. And I have provided here top 15 interview tips. You just watch this video completely. If you want to prepare yourself well for an coming interview, just watch this video from the beginning to the end, and I have shared top 15 interview tips from my experiences. I have taken interviews from my experiences. I have shared this video. Just watch this, and just comment below if you already followed some of these tips in your past interview, or if you are going to follow in future interview. Just comment below. And this is the why gathering statistics is important. This is very much important question for experienced person or of Oracle developer, An experienced Oracle developer must know, or experienced database administrator must know this, and you just watch this out completely to get to know in detail. Okay, and this is there is application error, dual table. All about the dual table, you can see what is the dual table, what is the function of dual table, and this is the interview tips part 2. You can watch this, and this is the one question about the cursors. You can watch this, and this is the DBA questions and answers, and this is the how export data in CSV file. This is very much important for Oracle DBA to export data in the CSV file. So you can watch this, and how export data in Excel file. This is another video, and these are my okay, this is the difference between row type and row type and this is the for type, percentage type and percentage row type. This is the difference between percentage type and percentage row type. I have two videos here I uploaded. So here I uploaded one question about how transfer table data using collection. This is the very advanced topic. You just watch this, you will get many advanced features. Okay, and the difference between implicit and explicit cursor, this is asked in many interviews. And this is the normalization. This is also asked by many interviewer in the interview, and I have described all the normalization processes and techniques here. You just watch completely. This is the difference between in and exist clause. Is very much important question for an interview. This is the very much also this is the very much important question. Count differences between count star, count one, and count of column name. And this is the logical database structure. I have uploaded this video for database administration purpose. You can get to know about the logical database structure. And this is the Oracle SQL developer interview preparation video. Okay, so all about videos I have explained, and just watch complete video, and watch every video from the beginning to the end. And after watching, if you like the video, you just give a like. If my video is useful for your learning, and if my video is added some value to your learning, just give a like, and also comment below the video, and also subscribe my channel, so that you can get notification from for my next video. Subscribe my channel, and also you share the video with your friends, colleagues, and to them who you know throughout the various medias like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp group, so they can also learn from my video, and they can make their skill and grow their skill. Okay, so that's all for today's session, today's tutorial session. Just give a like to my video. If my video have added some value to your learning, just give a like and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and colleagues. Okay, thank you very much for your time, and bye.